Hey there! Have you ever wanted to make your animated characters talk like humans? If yes, then you're in luck. You can do that with the help of natural language processing, NLP, and artificial intelligence, AI. NLP is a field of computer science that deals with programming computers to process and analyze human language data. AI, on the other hand, is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. By taking this course, Mastering ChatGPT, Prompt Engineering, and Artificial Intelligence for Non-Technical Users, you can learn how to use these technologies to create text prompts for animated characters. Imagine your favorite animated character responding to your text messages in real time. That would be hilarious, right? The course will teach you how to tokenize text, which means breaking down sentences into words and phrases, and how to analyze and process these tokens to generate meaningful responses. You'll also learn about machine learning algorithms, which will help you create more accurate and intelligent responses. In summary, taking this course, Mastering ChatGPT, Prompt Engineering, and Artificial Intelligence for Non-Technical Users in under an hour will have you to creating text prompts for animated characters, but also expand your knowledge in the exciting field of computer science. So, what are you waiting for? Let's make those animated characters talk.